Alright, y'all, I'm back with another video. I really wasn't going to do this, but since everything is taking so long, I might as well make an example of what I be talking about.
Hello, 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 hello,
BBK
hello,
shit, man.
hello, hello, hello,
Mister.
hello, 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 hello.
It start today. It start today. One.
So I told you guys about point pickup, and that's where we are right now. We're at Walmart, and as you can see, hold on 1 second. As you can see, you got the pickup signs right there. So this is point pickup for Walmart. So what happens is they bring out orders. Once they bring out the order, you can see some people have their trunks open. They load it into your car, and it's already a system set up inside of your phone. One fat ass hour later. So now you're gonna call the cops because I'm standing right here now?
I'm gonna call our AP.
Okay, I just was talking to them before because I just dealt with this same problem. It's happening over and over again. I'm not waiting for hours for an order. Hey, we need someone over here. I'm trying to talk to you and you're having a problem with the conversation. Like what? It has to do with how you respond to me. I'm the customer. I'm always right, correct? Right or wrong?
Or are you a customer?
I'm a customer and a driver. I'm
You're a
both.
driver right now.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You can open it right up in your maps, and from there, you start delivering your orders. You know how much you're going to make beforehand. They tell you how much you're going to make. So, and then there's tips included. There's been a little bit of speculation about the tips on if you're getting the full tip or not, but it's a good thing. And I'm gonna show you guys once I get my items inside the car, I'm gonna show you guys how it goes. See you guys in a second. All right, guys, I'm here to show you guys how this point pickup app works. Right now, that's one of the orders that I had. These are all the other orders. It shows you how much you're going to make. It shows you if it's a general merchandise order or if it's groceries. I personally prefer general merchandise because it's more orders. Groceries, it fills up your car with just one order because it's someone's whole groceries. So right here is showing me where I'm going, the distance, and how much I'm going to make. So a few tips while doing point pickup. Number one, clean car. You want your back seat and sometimes even your trunk clean for the best smooth rides, because you know, if you got stuff all over the place, you're filling up your car with maybe groceries or maybe Walmart items. You don't want things all over the place and it getting mixed up or anything like that. Also, being on time is a major key. What I found is that when I'm late for an order, it makes them start to pick the order late. So if they don't have all the items for the order, they may start to pick the order a little bit later rather than it being ready. So if you're early, it will set it up for where as though you're getting your order in a efficient time.
Because you came up in the door and everything when they asked you to step
Because of that, I'm not going to get an order because of that. How does that make sense? What rule is that?
That's the decision that store manager made.
This based off of what? Based off his feelings? So now you guys are making decisions off of, so grown ass men are making decisions off of feelings.
Yeah.
Beta!
Not off of what's right or wrong. No. So now you're going to walk away. So now you can't have conversation. So now you can't have conversation.
Beta!
Oh, my dad.
Oh, poor daddy feelings hurt.
Poor.
Oh, it's crazy as hell, yo. I see we at the motherfucking Hero, and I just got a package. Let's go unpack this package together. This is for all my stoners. This is how to navigate through life, stoner edition. Like, get it. As you guys can see here, we got that apple sundae. I really don't open this on the camera because I think that would probably make it so where I can't get monetized. And we don't want no demonetization. Then we got this cart here. They got some sale going on. Cureleaf got a sale going on. They selling carts for $20. $20, man. $20.
Shame when I cry, 'cause Lord, you know that I try. Please take my soul when I die. Forgive me for all my lies. I smoke this weed for my stress.
Alright guys, it's a red light. I really shouldn't be doing this while driving, but we had some technical difficulties at Walmart. So I'm gonna just say to you guys, always try to stay calm and keep your anger together, because you're gonna see how that played out in a second. But since point pickup was a fail, you see it in the back of Grubhub, we doing some Uber Eats. Brought my sister along with me, you feel me? We just out here in Philly, finna get some dough. What's good, YouTube? We back. So, you know, I'm doing Uber right now, and I ran into somebody who got some real interesting things that you guys should know about. So I'm gonna just let him talk to y'all about what he got going on here. This Justin here.
Yeah, what's going on? My name is Justin, right? So I'm actually an entrepreneur Justin. I'm actually a mentee over here for my mentor. His name Workout the Landlord, right? So what we do here, we build credit, show you how to actually be a first-time homeowner and be an investor with it and get a property, actually buy a property, fix up a property, and actually do a play with it. And you can also follow him right here at Workout_Landlord. The landlord, this is my mentor. I'm actually his mentee, and he's showing me the right things. And I'm actually doing successful on 3 deals right now. We on a 90-day challenge. We buying and flipping 10 properties in 90 days. So y'all can tap in right here and get y'all credit repaired.
Where we at?
And start. And we actually right here. We on Julius Road on 8th and Walnut. So y'all can come tap in right here, right.
All right, guys. Y'all seen I was just a little bit nervous trying to explain that, but I just want to say, that's just how good networking is. So, you know, with navigating through life, you never know who you're going to run into, who you're going to meet, who you're going to talk to. You never know. So you just got to always keep your ears open, always pay attention, because there could be $1 million play, there could be $100,000 play, there could be a $10,000 play right around the corner from you. I was just last night talking to all these different credit card companies, and then right here I'm talking to this guy where they fix credit, they help you with real estate, everything. Wow, it all comes full circle. So stay tuned and make sure y'all tune in with them, man. If you got credit problems, all that, make sure you really lock in. As y'all can see, it is the night and we still going in, dropping off these orders. That was a fake yawn, but I really am tired, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna just keep it going, you know what I'm saying? It's just like that. It's like this, me personally, I don't like to see how much money I made. Like, I kind of just like to keep working it and don't check it to the end. I started kind of late, and it's a Tuesday, so I know that's a bunch of excuses, but I don't got like really high hopes for it, you know? And this flash is making me not be able to see the road. And Philly be having them crazy ass potholes. So I'ma go. It's rare you find the bathroom while you're doing Uber and see me look in the mirror. That's cool. Yeah, I got an order that I'm picking up outside. I'll record while I do it for you guys. Yes. Thank you. I already clicked that. Thank you. You too. Once you secure the bag, you get to the car and you drop it off. And guess what, guys? I want you to know you don't have to have a car for this. You can do this with a bike. You can even do this walking. So all you gotta do is get your account and get started. And you can make money right now. Stop procrastinating. Stop waiting. If you ain't getting no paper, then use a hate. Got this bitch smoked out. You probably can't tell, but that bitch just smoked the fuck out. We got that shit smoky as a fuck. The workers. Well, guys. Sometimes when orders mess up, you know, you get to reap the benefits. I called Uber. I told them what happened. They're like, just see you, man. We got good views.
New message from Alex says, only can you leave please.
You gotta, you feel me? You gotta go that extra mile for these folks. You gotta do what you gotta
New
do.
message from Alex says, Chisel.
And I like that. Yeah, look at that. You can see the whole city.
Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how the Uber app works. As you can see, those white spots and white areas, those are considered hot zones or areas where there's more likely to be more orders. As you can see, it's Broad Street. That's a pretty popular road in Philadelphia. So there's a lot of restaurants and different things. I'm just waiting on an order. You can see my where I am on the map. So right
Head to your
here, you can
pickup at
see
Curry
I got
Shack,
an order.
Francisville.
I
Just
accepted
ahead,
it.
make a right turn on Ridge
See,
Avenue.
mine doesn't really have maps connected, but since I have a bike account and it's not a driver account, it's actually giving me bike directions. So if you're a biker, there should be directions on there for you. But if you're a driver, you're probably going to have to put the address in on another app, or sometimes you could just click on it and it'll open your maps right up to where you're going. But for some orders, you don't have to do that. You'll have the little lines right there where it's showing you the maps. I'm not saying it's the easiest thing to use, but
Make a
hey,
right
I
turn on
do
Ridge
it and
Avenue.
it works. So a good thing about Uber is normally
Just
once
ahead,
you
drop
get
off
really
on the
close
left.
to a delivery, they normally send you another one before you drop the last one off so that you can just keep on going and keep a flow so you're not waiting around for orders. But if you often decline orders and you just don't accept every order, when you decline orders, it kind of takes you off the flow. So you have to kind of wait. As you can see, the order just came up after I dropped the last one off. And then we just keep flowing from there. Actually, I didn't even drop it off yet and it came up. So once I get there, I'm going to show you guys.
Hello, 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 love is blind.